Introducing Hi Air Korea Co., Ltd., a leader in the global shipbuilding and marine air conditioning system market since its establishment in 1988. Headquartered in Gimhae, South Gyeongsang Province, Hi Air Korea has established itself as a world-class company by directly manufacturing core equipment such as air handling units, chillers, refrigerators for cold storage, blowers, packaged air conditioners, and dampers based on unparalleled technological prowess. Beyond simple product supply, Hi Air Korea has established a thorough after-sales service network that responds promptly anywhere in the world, ensuring customer satisfaction. The dedicated management and passion of its employees have built a deep trust, driven by three core values: customer satisfaction, top quality, and leadership in change. Hi Air Korea empowers all employees with a professional spirit. Amidst a rapidly changing industry, Hi Air Korea is preparing for a second leap forward. Through continuous quality improvement and customized service, rewriting the future of the global air conditioning industry and setting industry standards,